Hi Queens, today I'm really excited because I'm unboxing a new wellness tool for Zoe Life Healing sessions. All right, so this is the AO Infinity Foot Detox with waist belt. And I wanted to open it up with you so you can see exactly what I'm looking at. Oh my goodness, box after box. As many of you know, in Zoe Life Healing, we focus on supporting the body naturally, reducing stress, supporting detox pathways, and helping the body return to balance. So this device uses radio frequencies and gentle heat to help stimulate circulation and metabolism. So let's see what's inside this box. As I'm getting this pulled out here. Hang on, I'm just gonna put my phone over here. So we're gonna have the foot detox system. It's got metal plate, it's got cables, we have a waist belt. I'm betting this is the waist belt. And I'll go through all the different parts on another video, but this is me just starting to unbox everything and just get super excited. So let me get some of this pulled out and I'll get another video going here. Sorry about that. This is boxes inside of a box, and I'm still working on getting this out. So there's the foot piece here, I believe. All the packing material, and this would be the waistband, and yeah. You know what? I'm gonna. So this is the foot plate system where you place your feet, and they have to be bare feet. And then this device will send a gentle radio frequency through the soles of the feet. The device generates gently warming the body and slightly raises internal temperature. It's kind of like a mild sauna effect, which is actually why I got this unit. And I haven't used it yet. It suggests 30 minutes. When the body warms up, circulation improves and metabolism speeds up, which helps the body move waste and toxins toward the liver for elimination. Oh, Zen wants to check it out. Hi, baby. Out of the way. Oh, gross. Don't be licking it. This is, so then I also have the waist belt, which I've got around my middle. So what this belt does is it allows the same frequency and infrared heat to be directed toward the abdominal area, which also helps stimulate organs involved in detox and digestion, like the liver, the pancreas, the gallbladder, and the spleen. And so that just further helps with the detoxification. I absolutely love tools like this because when the body is relaxed and warm, circulation improves, metabolism works better, and the body can naturally support detox and healing. So this can be really supportive for people dealing with stress, fatigue, sluggish detox pathways, or even hormonal imbalances. And it really is just part of functional wellness. So I'm excited to start using this in Zoe Life Healing sessions and seeing how it supports my clients in their wellness journeys. If you're curious about trying the AO Infinity Foot Detox during a session, just send me a message and I'll tell you more about how it works. If you also want to get your own foot detox system, reach out and I'll let you know where to purchase it. I'll send you my website. Bye for now.